Welcome back to Recycled and Saved with a 1989 KX 125 project bike. It's a recently running bike, so the suspension's all pretty decent, the cables and controls, brakes, all of that's pretty good, pretty tight. My understanding from the seller is that it did run through the gears, transmission and clutch, all that should be good. Seat and plastics are reasonable, newer fender, extra fuel tank, again DG pipe. I did check the cylinder, looks reasonable inside, and it does have the kips is free, it's all there. I worked it back and forth since it worked okay. You got a hot rod crank, shop manual, bearings, new Wisco piston and ring set, new plug. Everything's here. Let us know what you need for your KX 125. Some parts fit other years than 1989. Some parts fit the 250 or other models, KDXs. Let us know what you need. Look down below. Check for our other bikes listed, or go to our eBay site, or text me at 715-370-6671, and let's get your KX running. Thanks for looking.